Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best gelato, a delightful frozen dessert. Unlike traditional ice cream, gelato boasts a lower fat content, typically ranging from 4 to 8%. It's also churned at a slower speed, which incorporates less air, resulting in a much denser and more intense flavor experience. We'll explore the secrets to achieving that perfect, creamy texture and rich taste. The foundation of exceptional gelato lies in its ingredients. We'll focus on using high-quality whole milk and heavy cream for a rich, smooth base. Fresh egg yolks are crucial for adding richness and contributing to that signature velvety texture. Granulated sugar provides the perfect sweetness and helps prevent ice crystals. And for flavor, we'll choose natural options like fresh fruit, pure vanilla bean, or premium cocoa powder to truly elevate your creation. Crafting the gelato base involves a few key steps. First, gently heat your milk, cream, and sugar until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, you'll temper your fresh egg yolks by slowly whisking in some of the warm liquid before combining everything. Cook this mixture to precisely 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring constantly to thicken it. Finally, chill your base thoroughly in an ice bath for at least 4 hours or even overnight for optimal results. Once your base is perfectly chilled, it's time for the exciting part. Churning. Use an ice cream maker to churn the mixture until it reaches a consistency similar to soft serve. Then, transfer your freshly churned gelato to an airtight container and freeze it for an additional 2 to 3 hours to firm up. Remember, gelato is best served at a slightly warmer temperature, around 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, to fully appreciate its intense flavor and incredibly smooth, dense texture. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.